Welcome to Ibuzo in Delta State, Asaba Negbouring town. Ibuzo is one of the fastest growing town close to Asaba after Ogwashi. So, according to Wikipedia, Ibuzo is an Igbo community in Delta State, Nigeria, founded c. 1950. The community is in Oshimili North. It has an estimated population of, you can read it through. The people speak the Inu and a dialect of the Igbo language family. The name of the community is more blah blah blah. You can read everything that are just written over there to get more details about the town. So the town is quite calm, but over the years the town has been, a kind of a tall gray and a very dangerous area, like comprises of Cortes and rest of them. But recently everything starts settling, so the town is very cool and calm, and a lot activities is currently going on in the town, and you can still find a very much affordable apartment in these locations. That is the main reason why I'm bringing it to you. So if you are planning on relocating to Asaba and the budget you have for apartment is not that huge, or maybe the apartment you met in Asaba is quite very expensive that you cannot afford it, maybe you can also think of coming to this side. Though if you have your private car or other means of transportation, it will be better because it's little bit far from Asaba. Like if you have your business based in Asaba, staying here will be a little bit inconvenience for you, but it's very affordable. You can find many affordable apartments in this town. So the town is very, very cool and calm at the moment. And talking about the aspect of light, they are trying in terms of light. I will not tell you that the light is 247, but at least they are trying. Even they are even more better than some places in Asaba. Their light is a little bit constant more than some places in Asaba. So it's a very nice place to stay. If you cannot stay in Onitsha close to Asaba, you can decide to come to this Ibuzo, and I will even prefer this Ibuzo to Ogwashi, or prefer Ibuzo to Ogwashi. Staying in Ogwashi is a total different thing, because if you have your business based in Asaba, you staying in Ogwashi will be very far away from you. But Ibuzo is little closed, and it's even more closer to airport. It's more closer to airports than Ogwashi. So it's a very nice town to stay. A lot of activities is going, and they also have their own markets. Maybe the next time I will go into residential areas, to capture the kind of buildings you can find in these areas. I will also capture their markets, then start listing the prices of the apartments for you, the affordable ones and non-affordable ones. So in my next video, I'm gonna be taking you on their residential part, though I capture some places here, but it's not that enough. So in my next video, we will be telling you in full details what it costs to stay in this town. I will go into full residential areas to capture them and show you guys. So Ibuzo is a very nice town at the moment. Talking about the security over there, I will tell you this: if you don't find anybody trouble, nobody is looking for your trouble. They have securities. They have a very high prominent people that are looking into the matters of the security issues. But all I can tell you that if you stay your own, mind your business, nobody is looking for your trouble. It's it's very, very quiet place to stay. If you're a very quiet person, then Ibuzo is also nice for you to stay. They have a very, very quiet areas, and their land are still cheap. You can still get as low as 800, 1 million, even 500k land in this Ibuzo. I think so. So it's a very nice and conducive environment for you to stay. So guys, I won't be talking till the end of the video. You can continue watching the environment. This is all I could capture at the moment, but I promise you in my next video I will capture more of the residential areas. There are many beautiful places you can see there. Don't mind the locations I capture. These are one of the most dirty areas you can find there. So but I will go into the few side, the full residential side, to capture how everywhere is looking like. So guys, you can continue watching the video, and if you have any other question that you want to ask me about this Ibuzo, you can drop them via my comment sections. And please don't forget to sub to this channel, share with your friends and your families and your well wishers. Click on the thumb up button, click on the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day, guys. Continue watching the video. Watch till end. There are still more interesting environments you can still see there. Like, these places are so nice. You can continue watching them. They are so nice. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.
Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break.